Welcome to this tutorial on how to edit a muted username on X, formerly Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've muted someone before and now want to make a change, this guide will walk you through every step clearly and easily. Let's get started. First, open x.com on your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on your X homepage, look to the left side of your screen and click on the More icon. This icon usually looks like 3 dots in a circle. After clicking it, a menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Inside that section, choose Privacy and Safety. This area controls all of your privacy preferences and interaction settings on X. Next, scroll down and click on Mute and Block. This is where you can manage who and what you've chosen to mute. Under that category, select Muted Words. Even though it says muted words, this is also where you'll find muted usernames. You'll now see a list of muted terms and usernames that you've added in the past. Find the username you want to edit and click on it. A new window will appear, allowing you to make your changes. You can adjust the username, change how long it stays muted, or even decide whether it applies to your notifications, timeline, or both. Once you're satisfied with the edits, look for the Save option and click it to confirm your changes. After that, your updated settings will automatically take effect. The user will stay muted or unmuted based on your current choices. That's all it takes to edit a muted username on X using the latest web update. It's quick, simple, and helps you control what you see and who you hear from while keeping your feed exactly the way you want it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials like this one to stay updated with every new feature on X.